I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA.
Trump victory. What does it mean to crypto community and how can you make money with it? On 6 November, Donald Trump emerges as the new United States president. And his win saw Bitcoin price pumping to a new all-time high of 75,000 US dollars. Someone who does not know much about cryptocurrency and who does not know much about Donald Trump would ask, what does Donald Trump win has to do with cryptocurrency pumping? Donald Trump winning the United States presidential election has a lot to do with crypto price pumping, and here is the reason why. The United States has the highest regulation on cryptocurrency in the whole world, and earlier during the campaign, Donald Trump has pledged to support cryptocurrency in the United States, and this gives a lot of people confidence to trade cryptocurrency. This is the major reason why crypto is pumping right now.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Richard. I make videos about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, and how to grow your Facebook and YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, like and share this video, comment, and also DM me for advert and business promotion. Having said that, let's look at Bitcoin price prediction. At the time of making this video, Bitcoin is currently traded at $76,000 per one Bitcoin. Focus shows that Bitcoin might hit $80,000 before the end of November 2024, and it might also hit $95,000 by January 2025. So the big question is, how do you make money with this Bitcoin bull run? The best way to make profit in crypto is to buy a coin, hold it, and wait for the price to go up before selling it. When the price goes up, you sell and you make your profit coolly without stress. So in my next video, I'm going to list names of coins you can buy which will give you a very huge profit by January 2025. So follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that once I drop this video, you'll be the first person to notify. Thank you and see you next time.